and welcome to RetentionFlow, your one-stop solution to managing growth and retention data. With RetentionFlow, you can monitor customer health scores, automate playbooks that proactively deflect churn, reward loyalty, and foster long-term customer retention. In this quick demo, we will show you exactly how this growth accelerator works and how you can leverage it to grow your business.
When you log in as a system user, you first land on the RetentionFlow dashboard. Navigate to the top right corner and find a drop-down menu with all your integrated apps. Click on RetentionFlow. This will redirect you to RetentionFlow's intuitive and customizable dashboard. This dashboard has all your key customer health scores neatly lined up. Customers are segmented into high, moderate, and low-risk groups based on criteria entirely customized to your business needs. The dashboard also enables you to track conversions from low to high-risk groups and vice versa. Additionally, the dashboard enables you to visualize customer health score trends so you can spot and stop churn from a mile away. On the left side, you can see 3 modules listed. These include your signals feed, customers, and settings. Let's first take a look at the signals feed module. This real-time feed receives pre-selected customer activity signals, including things such as logins, paid invoices, or overdue payments. Updated every 5 seconds, you choose which signals to track based on your historic data. Now, how do you set up custom signal tracking? Simply enter the Settings module and click on Data Sources. Here you can access our JavaScript SDK. Copy and paste this code to any page where you want RetentionFlow data to be sourced. Data is fed seamlessly from RetentionFlow into the RetentionFlow app to calculate your customer health scores. On to the Customers module. In this module, you can see all your customers' data listed against their primary health grading, all in one place. Multiple business-specific data points can be enabled in this view. Clicking on any customer shows you detailed insights into their activity and health score. Let's revisit the Settings module. This is where you configure RetentionFlow according to your business requirements. You set up your signal types, automate playbooks, and pretty much set up the system according to your specific needs. Your historic data helps identify activity flags that should act as your signal types. Under the Signal Types tab, you can see all your signals coming in from RetentionFlow that are posted to your signals feed. Now that we know which signals need tracking, you can go ahead and set up a health grading. Let's create a new health grading. We're going to call this Product Use. Now, on the sliding scale, we can define the cutoffs of what good, moderate, and bad customers look like for our particular business. So in this case, I'm going to say 0 to 20 defines a good scale, 21 to 55 defines a moderate scale, and 56 to 100 is a poor scale. So I'm going to save this grading. Once your grading is set up, you can go ahead and set up what churn factors will feed into this health score calculation and to what extent. Click on New Churn Score Factor. I'm going to name this Login. So the health grading I'm using for this is the product use one that we just defined together. And the signal type I want here is the login signal. Let's say in this case, I want to track logins for a month. And for simplicity's sake, the total points are going to be 100. So I'm going to allocate certain points out of 100 to create a range for my good, bad, and really bad login activity. So let's say someone who logs in about 0 to 5 times gets 25 points. That's a high-risk customer. Someone who logs in 6 to 10 times gets 50 points. This is a moderate customer. Someone who logs in between 11 to 20 times would be the best customer. So we give them the total 100 points, and then we save this. The login activity and the health score will be inversely related in this case. So customers that fall in the 100% will fall into the low risk group. and then the moderate and highest risk of churn. Now that we are tracking relevant signals and enjoying high visibility on our customer health scores, how do we use this to drive growth? Under the Playbooks tab, let's explore this reward loyalty playbook. The signal that we've set up for this is 8 invoices paid. So this customer has stuck around for 8 billing cycles. And the response that I'm linking to this trigger is sending out an email template for loyalty to customers. So let's look at what this template is. This template has been designed in our email templates tab. It's an email that lets your customers know that you're giving them 50% off on add-on services for 3 months to reward them for sticking around for 8 billing cycles. And when you run this playbook, every customer that falls in this criteria will receive this email and this discount.
In this way, you can use playbooks to reward loyalty, champion customers for upsell recommendations, or simply send out regular reports to your customer success teams. In the fiercely competitive subscription economy, there's no time to waste. Unleash the power of streamlined growth and retention management to supercharge your subscriptions. Simplify subscriptions, power growth.